Next we move to the Dimensions toolbox, which is the third option down in the Sketching Toolboxes panel on the left hand side, and we can see a number of different options in order to attach dimensions to our sketches, starting from General and moving down to Display, and we'll cover a few of these items. So General is the broadest use tool for dimensioning, which will allow you to select an appropriate type based on the entity that you've selected, whether it's a face or an edge or something like that. Then you can right click to provide quick access to specific dimension types, whether it's horizontal, dimension of radii, diameter, angle, something like that. There's a tool called semi-automatic, which is further down the list under dimensions, which cycles through the entities until the sketch that you're interested in is fully constrained, or the user elects to exit from that particular assignment for dimensions. So there are two examples which now follow to show you some of the dimensioning tools for sketches. Here we can see the first one, the general, being employed on a particular sketch. We have this geometry that can be seen on the first box on the left hand side, and we have a number of edges that make up this sketch. We can simply select the edge at the top here, and then once the general option is selected under dimensions, we can simply drag out the annotation position for the dimension. In this case we've moved it up, and then we just left mouse button click in order to select where the dimension is going to be displayed. In this case the dimension has a tag associated with it, in this case H3, and this string is highlighted in the details view here as H3, and this is associated with this particular dimension. Now we can actually display the dimensions instead of the tag H3 here, so we could actually replace H3 with 4.8146 meters in this dimension, and we can also edit the dimension directly in the details view as well, and have Design Modeler be updated directly from the details view. Here we can see another example of using General, but this time we're using it with an angle. So we select General and we can right click and select Angle in this case, and we can choose the two entities between which we want to assign and define the angle. So we select the two entities, we select Angle, and then it allows us with the left mouse button we can select where the angle will be defined. If it finds the incorrect angle first, we can switch to the alternate angle, which will invert the angle from the internal to the external angle, and then simply we can left click, in this case to display A8 as the new angle defined on the sketch.